How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt Bayliss, and this video is going to be all about how to take your trading to the next level in 2024 using artificial intelligence. So before we get started, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive straight into it. In case you haven't noticed or you've been living under a rock, AI is taking over everything right now. So how do we leverage the power of AI to become a profitable trader? Well, let me show you the software that I'm using that's taken me from a struggling trader to a consistently profitable trader in just a few months. So I'm going to dive into my computer now. I'm going to share the screen with you guys. You can see the exact tools that I use, and I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on these AI tools as well. The first bit of software I'm going to show you today is called Manara. Now Manara scans the markets for you, scans all the charts and finds harmonic patterns and alerts them to you. It gives you your entry point, your stop loss point, and two take profit points as well. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works and how I set up Manara so I can find my trade ideas. So when you open up Manara, this is the first thing you'll see. And don't worry about any of this, it's all very confusing if you first open this. But what we're going to do, we're going to go over to the monitor tab right here at the top right hand corner. We're going to tap on that. And this is where it shows you your trade ideas. Now, if I scroll down, as you can see, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of trade ideas on here. So if you take a look on the left hand side, we've got our currency pairs or commodities or bonds. You can trade whatever you want right down here. And then it tells you if it's a buy or a sell. If you see a green arrow pointing up, that means it's a buy. If you see a red arrow pointing down, that means you're going to take a sell position. The next one along, we got our patterns. Now it tries and finds all these patterns in the markets and alerts them to you. So this is telling me the first one here is a bat pattern. It also tells me what time frame it's on. It's telling me it's on a 5-minute time frame. And it's telling me the status of it's complete. This means that this trade is currently in the entry zone. Now I've clicked on this one already. It's what you see on the top of the screen right here. You can see this entry zone right here, this grey box. You've got your exact entry there. If you want to take the exact entry, that's fine, but you can enter when the price is anywhere within this grey box here. Now price is already tapped into that and is already working its way up, which is why the status is showing as complete. And now one other thing to remember is it shows you the reward to risk ratio. This is a 3.5. So for every, let's say $100 you risk, you're going to make £350 or dollars. Okay, so that's what reward to risk means. I never take a trade which is less than 3. Now, as I said just now, this is showing you hundreds and hundreds of trades, and it's just too much. So this is what I do. So you've got the settings tab right here. You tap on that. And now this is where I can change the settings to suit myself and exactly what I look for. Now, when it comes to pattern status, I like to see mature. And then when we come down, then we come down to time frame. I don't like trading anything higher than a 4 hour. So I untick the day, weekly, and month. So it's only going to show me a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and a 4 hour trade ideas. We're going to scroll down. We've got asset class. I only trade forex. Okay, so we're going to untick all of those. And now we're going to come down to the patterns. Now, each pattern has a different success rate. So what I personally do, I choose the top 5 patterns for the highest success rate. So what I'm going to tick now, I'm going to untick them all. So it's not showing anything now. So you might want to take a screenshot of this. I'm going to choose my top 5. It's going to be bat, triple top, triple bottom. We've got butterfly, triangle, and head and shoulders. Now these are the patterns I like to trade. And then on the bottom right here, pattern type, bullish, bearish, or unknown. So I like to keep all 3 of them ticked. So now what you can see is we have a lot less trades right here. Now we did have hundreds. Now we've probably only got about 50 or so there. So that narrows it right down. So I want to narrow it down even further. So now I'm going to go into security right here. And I'm only going to select the major currency pairs right there. So I'm going to untick that one. And untick all the bonds. Indices, I'm going to untick. Now you can trade these if you want. I'm just showing you my personal preferences. Commodities and metals. But when it comes to metals, I do like to trade gold. So I'm going to leave gold ticked right there. So now it's only showing me 2 trades. Now that's going to be a lot better for me. It's going to lower my overall risk because I'm not going to be taking lots of trades throughout the day. You only really need to take 2 or 3 trades a day at the most to be consistently profitable. Now, so if I select the first one, which is the Great British Pound against the Swiss, and then it's going to give me. Oh, this one's already okay. This one's already failed, but it hasn't updated there yet. So not every trade idea is going to work, which is obvious because there's no strategy which is 100% accurate. So you are going to get losing trades on here. So what it's giving me now is giving me the entry point, the stop loss, take profit 1 and take profit 2. And what I do, I will take these numbers and I'll copy and paste them straight into my MT4 or MT5 app. So let's take a look at the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. So this one is we're pretty much at entries in drawdown at the moment, but this one is telling me that it is a back pattern on the 4 hour. It's in the entry zone now, which is why it says complete, and the reward to risk ratio is 3.5, which is perfect. It's exactly what I would take. And yeah, I would take the entry. Slide a little bit. I'll take this entry. I will take this stop loss, take profit 1 and take profit 2, and put that into my MT4 app, and I'll just let that run. If you're looking for a regulated broker, a trusted broker, then I recommend using Vantage FX. Now I've left a link in the description below this video so you can sign up to Vantage FX and start trading these Manara strategies right in the Vantage app as well. So if you want to sign up to Vantage, use the link in the description below. The amazing thing about Manara is that it saves you a ton of time. So you're not sat in front of a chart all day looking for trade ideas. You can open this up and then you can just copy and paste the entry, stop loss and take profit into your MT4 and just let the trade run and check back on it later. So it's perfect if you haven't got much time to be looking at the charts. Now, if you're a really busy person and you haven't got much time at all to even use Manara, then I want to share with you another tool that I use when I'm out and about. And I don't even have to look at a chart. I just take the trades, I just copy the trades into MT4 and I just let them run with an 80% win rate. So let me just show you exactly what that is. Now this service is called Eminus. Now Eminus is made up of a bunch of professional traders. These guys are absolutely killing it in the space. They are multiple 6-figure earners and they're kindly sharing with us their trade ideas. Now I'm part of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Eminus groups right here. So the first one at the top there is stock options. If you're interested in trading stocks, I don't trade it personally, but what I've seen coming from this group of results on this Telegram channel have been absolutely phenomenal. I definitely highly recommend getting into there if you're into your stock trading. The next one down, we've got Manara trade ideas and sessions. So these guys, they take ideas from Manara, they analyze the trade ideas, and then they give you not just 1 take profit, they give you 7 take profits for that particular trade. And recently this channel has been absolutely killing it. For example, this trade right here was alerted. It had 7 take profits and they hit all 7 of them with a nice 250 pips. I took this trade. I was absolutely buzzing when I took this trade with no effort whatsoever. Just copy and paste those numbers into my MT4 app. Now the next one down is Manara Espanol. Yeah, some of these educators, they do speak different languages. This one is bilingual, so be in Spanish and in English. But as you can see, the currency pairs and sell stop and the numbers are all universal anyway, so you can see exactly what they're talking about. So you can just take these trades as well. Same with the Arabic channel. There's a lot more Zoom calls on this one. You can take live trading calls with these guys and just copy their trades on live calls, and they often post their what they see coming up in the week. So what pairs they're looking at, what they what we're looking for in that particular pair in order to take a buy or sell position. The next one down, we got forex and Manara training. This is run by this guy here called Ralph. He is absolutely amazing. He knows his stuff. He's a really great guy. I highly recommend jumping on his calls every week where he goes over some basic training, and he also does some live trading calls using Manara. Again, his trades are absolutely amazing and very profitable. So yeah, jump in there definitely. And then finally we got Eminus trade ideas. Again, very similar to the other channels. you're going to receive right here your currency pairs is a buy limit or sell limit, and then you got your stop loss and take profit levels here. So yeah, definitely highly recommend jumping in on these MS channels if you want to take your trading to the next level in 2024. I really believe that if you start using Manara and Eminus right now, your trading will be taken to the next level within the next few months. You'll go from struggling to find trade ideas in the market, struggling to grow your account, to actually seeing progress and building up your balance. Now, I can't guarantee it will work 100%. I can't guarantee anything, but it depends how much work you put into it, how much you're willing to learn and apply this new skill using Manara and Eminus to grow your account. I know what you're asking. You're like, well, Matt, you show me how awesome Manara is and Eminus. How do I get my hands on it? So what you'll see down below in the description is a link to my link tree, and in there you will see how to get Manara and how to get the tools. You click on get the tools, it'll take you straight to the sign up page where you can sign up and you can purchase the pack. Yes, you have to purchase it. It is not free. It is a small investment, but what you get for the money is absolutely mind-blowing. You don't only get Manara and Eminus, you get so many other features as well. I haven't got time to go over in this video, but yeah, it's definitely worth it. So head into my link tree and check out the links in there. Before you go, I'd like you to join my Telegram group. So my Telegram group is Trading Marvels. So you can find the link for that in the description below, or you can go onto my link tree and you'll see the link to a Telegram in there. Jump in there. It's an active community. Say hi. I post some free trade ideas in there, some free content just for my community within Telegram. Also, if you're looking for a broker to use, I'm going to leave the link to my recommended broker down below in the description. And if you're looking to get funded, then I'm going to leave in the description below again my recommended prop firm, which I personally use and I absolutely love it. So click the link below to sign up and get funded using Manara and Eminus. I can't see why not. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to leave it right there. If you've got any questions, you can find me on Instagram at Matt Bayliss. Look out for a blue tick. If there's not a blue tick on there, it's not me. But I'll leave a link in my link tree as well, so you can connect with me directly. So without further ado, I'm going to leave it right there. God bless.